What going on, guys? I'm Aru. Today's video I'm talking about how to insert text and shape in Power BI. Open a blank report. Insert text box. You can write anything in this box, or you can copy paste text also. You can change the font and the text height. First select the text and change the font and the text height. You can underline also. Okay. Now go for shapes and select a shape, and in this shape you can add text also and modify the text shape, rotation, style, everything. Go to format shape and shape. Rectangle, you can change the shape rectangle to any pill or oval, any shape you can change. Then style, you can change the color also, fill color, border, and text, you can write any text. You can change the font also, height also, or text color. You can insert any shape. Triangle or pentagon, any shape. And you can modify. You can modify the shape also. You can link the shape with another page also. Select the shape, action, page navigation, page 2. Then if you click the shape, then page 2 will be open. you can put here a back button also. Select the back button, go to action, type, page navigation, page 1, then click on back button, then you land here page 1.